Hello everyone, welcome in this week-long online workshop on NAAC assessment and accreditation of affiliated colleges being organized by GTC Bhadrua. My name is Balkrishan, Assistant Professor in Zoology, and I am extremely privileged and honored to be a part of this workshop. I hope this journey is going to be a good learning experience for all of us. To start off, let me say this. We all are learners in this field, and as a part of professional growth and competence, we must provide quality educational services to equip our students with knowledge, skills, attitudes, and leadership readiness, which they are expected to acquire under outcome based education. The topic of my talk is Learning Outcome Based Curriculum Framework, that is LOCF. I would like to begin by giving you a brief account of NAAC. NAAC, that is National Assessment and Accreditation Council, is an autonomous institution established in 1994 which assesses and accreditates higher educational institutions in India. Under a regulation of UGC, it is mandatory for all universities and colleges of India to be certified by NAAC for their quality assurance, promotion, and sustenance. Benefits of NAAC. NAAC helps the institution to know its strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities through an informed review process. It promotes innovative and modern methods in various aspects of college functioning. It provides society with reliable information on quality of education being provided to the students. NAAC has formulated a robust, objective, transparent, and scalable criteria based quality assessment framework which is grounded in values suitable and appropriate to national context. The processes and procedures of NAAC assessment and accreditation shall be taken up systematically during the ensuing week long workshop. For now, I would like to move on to my topic, which is Learning Outcome Based Curriculum Framework, that is LOCF. Learning outcomes are statements that describe the knowledge, skills, attitudes, and values which students should acquire by the end of a particular assignment, class, course, or program of study. Learning outcomes help students understand why that knowledge and those skills will be useful to them. Learning outcomes focus on the context and potential application of knowledge and skills. They help students connect learning in various contexts and also guide the teachers in formulating assessments and evaluation processes. This whole process shifts a focus from instructional learning, which is teacher centric, to experiential learning, which is student centric, and is important for deep learning of students. University Grant Commission's LOCF is a guiding document to all universities undertaking the task of curriculum revision and adoption of outcome-based approach. University Grant Commission has issued suggestive models of curriculum in line with learning outcome-based curriculum framework, and based on these models, universities may revise the curriculum as per the requirement within the overall framework of choice-based credit system and learning outcome-based curriculum framework. The significance of learning outcome based curriculum framework is to equip students with knowledge, skills, attitudes, values, and leadership readiness. Learning outcome based curriculum framework specifies what graduates after completing a particular program of study are expected to know, understand, and be able to do at the end of completing their study. As an example of BSc degree program in zoology, a student after completion of BSc with zoology should be able to number one, demonstrate comprehensive knowledge and understanding of major concepts, theoretical principles, and experimental findings in zoology and its subfields, A zoology graduate should know the skills of using modern instrumentation for advanced genomic and proteomic technology. The zoology graduate should be skilled communicators, critical thinkers, and problem solvers. They should be skilled project managers, digitally literate, and lifelong learners. And the respect of learning outcome based curriculum framework is designing assessment tasks. It should be based on the evidence that the students have actually learned what they were expected to learn within a framework of outcome based education. Determining the relevant evidence of student learning is most important for each learning outcome, and appropriate standards or criteria have to be used to evaluate that evidence. Assessment is therefore a key part of outcome based education and used to determine whether or not a qualification has been achieved for the students to be awarded a degree after completion of a specific study program. Now, a brief discussion on LOCF. LOCF, as I see it, is a guiding document which represents quality mandate issued by UGC to all universities undertaking the task of curriculum revision and adoption of outcome-based approach. Learning outcome-based curriculum means a designing or revising of curriculum with a clear picture of what is important for students to be able to do, then organizing the curriculum, instructions, and assessment to make sure that this learning ultimately happens. The curriculum team must ensure an alignment of learning outcomes with assessments. Everything teachers do must be clearly focused on what they want students to know, understand, and be able to do. It means curriculum must start with a clear definition of the outcomes that students are to achieve by the end of a particular study program. This brings me to the end of this talk. I hope it has been useful to all of you. It is important for all of us to understand clearly the evolving concepts and approaches in the dynamics of higher education to bring it at par with the national and international standards. I would like to thank you all. Thank you very much.